Backcountry camping. Camping. Backcountry.
Maloko-loko rin to.
Yeah. Itutulak mo kasi slowly. Para tumakbo. Hindi yung tayo mo pang... Gusto nga nila sa gitna sila eh.
Pasaway kayo guys ha.
No goats. Wala, gagabihin tayo dyan.
Mga pasaway tong goat na to.
Gagabihin kayo dyan kung hintayin nyo lang silang umalis.
Ano ba?
You push him. Look at this guy, Maverick.
You can see it.
Look at his horns.
Anong ano yun? Kind.
Nothing good.
Di ba may isang babae umalis? Inano niya kasi tinaboy niya. Pero yung mga ducks yun. Ayun. Hindi siya, bigay muna. Wala sa akin.
Nandiyan na ata, tabi mo yun. Umikot yung isa.
Daddy, do you see that again?
Ayaw ni Bob mo. Bawal.
Daming salt eh. They like the salt.
Ito kasi dapat umalis na para umanggap to.
Alis din yan.
Ay, bali ka na mga. Pasaway itong goats na to.
There you go.
Kinakain nila yung salt na.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng shot ko dito. Maganda na ito pag winter. Try din natin pag winter. Dalawa lang tayo.
Mommy, can I sleep here?
Umusama itong makulit na to.
Can I sleep here?
Oh, sure.
Linis ko muna. Teka lang.
Oh, Maverick, oh, i-vlog mo ako. Oh. Dali. Hello, guys.
Mommy, I wanna get it in the light.
No, you can't. You can do it. Oh, come on. Come on. Ano, lolo? Para kang bobo. Maglakad ah.
Hindi ah. Ngayon talaga.
Do you know how to go back? Dito. Hala, pag tayo nawala, Maverick. Hala, saan tayo ako? Come on.
No, we're lost in na. Tayo na tayo.
Dito ka, oh. Go. Baliktad naman kasi yung slippers mo.
Hala,
So,
bakla.
guys.
Hala, bakla yung mami ko.
Ang lakas maka-walking dead dito. The Walking Dead.
May Walking Dead dito eh.
Tara na. Walking Dead? Oh, Are you happy?
Yeah. Someone there?
No.
Yes. Okay, I can see my mom.
Okay. Go back now. Let's go back. Come on.
Okay. Jump go.
No, you can have that.
What is dirty in the house?
It's okay. Okay. Do you remember
Here?
where's our campsite?
Says nothing.
There. Oh. We'll go up. Climb up. Climb, climb. Oh, your butt. Oh, see?
What?
Grab. Yung butt mo. Okay. Go. Ay,
We say you
help
hold
me.
this.
Oh,
this.
help me.
Wait, hold
Help me. Help me. Ano, hold. Hawakan mo. Okay. Yay!
Say thank you for helping you.
Thank you for helping me,
Oh,
Maverick.
help you. Oh, hold
Hey,
this.
dirty. Bye. See you
Bye,
tomorrow.
guys. Bye.
Maverick, don't do that sa plant. Tapon mo na nga yan. Don't do that sa plant.
No.
Okay, pero
You
don't hurt them.
already do it.
Okay, go get it.
Dirty now.
Wow. What's that?
Marshmallow.
S'mores?
Yes, s'mores. We're making s'mores.
Mamaya, brie and fruits with crackers.
Anong
I
fruits?
want this.
We have fruits?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, go there. What are you? Airplane. That is that the video.
Okay, we will figure that out. Ito ano natin sa table. Do we even need this? Sorry ko. Ayun.
Okay na yun.
Oh,
Gen Z be like.
projector. Oh.
Gen Z be likes. See?
What do you mean? You guys Gen X put like filters on your face and like Gen X rise.
Ito naman si makulit. Pak.
But look at this. That's what they
Oh!
Ow!
Got something going on here.
No, you try to punch buy this. No, this. Where's the box? Okay, good job.
So look at outside. Uy, pag camping guys, camping lang. Ano, mag-move out na tayo.
Oh, Mommy,
Nag-move in na tayo, ha? This is our new house.
I didn't see anyone. I know that. Your back was turned. What are you doing standing outside my house? My husband's going to be back in a minute.
Mommy.
Dr. Timmons works nights.
Ingay ni Mommy. Diba ingay ni Mommy?
Buksan muna natin to.
Oo nga. Dali. Itong camera. Maverick. Dali. Oh, ikaw na, Marl.
Wala, nagluluto ako. Sunog to.
It's been a while.
I'm sorry. I'm trying
Diba?
to set it
Kailangan pa
right.
natin ng ano, hindi na. Lakas na mag-init niyan. Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo magtitira. Dito na tayo magtitira.
My impulse is such a lot
So, ganyan.
Ang dali mo na yung ano.
Sarap.
dangerous. Should have seen it.
Yan, patong mo dito.
Kailangan ko ng pang ano.
Damihan mo yung kahoy,
Three
Marlo.
minutes.
Damihan mo.
Kaya kunin mo yung mish yung ano ni Maverick. Sweater niya. Pwede ka kaya dyan? Sabi ka dyan. Another one.
Ano?
Yun yung dirty niya. Ayun. Ayun. Ayan.
No, be careful. Kung gusto mo ng hot water dyan.
Buto ka nang main.
How was it? Do you like it? Wait. 10 out of 10.
7.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
A scale from 1 to 10.
Okay din, no? Isang lag lang kailangan mo, eh.
Touch the slide. Touch it. I did. It's oh.
Kung kumakain tayo
Ganun ka, ganun.
dito, okay din. Tapos may upuan tayo dito na tayo kumain. Diba? Ba't na nga, ano? Tapon pa. Tagalin mo muna ito.
Puro oil.
Hindi oil yan, yung cheese yan. Kaya okay yan.
Ano yung hawak mo? Init. Paper towel ah.
Okay na. Ano?
Paperies.
Hindi yung wala yung menu.
This house is so full of people. It makes me sick. When I grow up and get married, I'm living alone. Did you hear me? I'm living alone. I'm living alone.
Who's gonna feed your spider while we're gone? You just ate a whole load of my sticks. You don't need that. Don't tell me what to do. And I can do it if I want to. Sick. Hey, watch out! You gotta watch out for traffic, son. No. Danny don't visit the funeral home, little buddy. Okay. Merry Christmas.
What's the matter?
I like the way that kid looked. Did you see that?
Have you seen it before?
I saw 100 kids this week.
See what house it goes.
Buksan ko. Kanina, hinipan ko yan. Bab ko. Ano ba? Pagpag yan.
So yun guys, ganito yung washroom dito. Kailangan mo i-close yung nose. I'm very stinky. Huwag mo tingnan. Don't look.
Baho.
It's okay. We're gonna watch you. So yan yung toilet. Oh,
Cold. Mommy, good
hindi ka
morning.
maingay.
Mommy, good morning.
Nag-washroom kami guys. Walking. Ano, di ba? Helpful yung ano. Diri na.
Derek.
Say good morning.
Good morning,
Nandun.
everyone.
So ayun yung tent namin.
I'm so cold. Kailangan sa kuya para like ina. Diba? I'm so cold.
Mag-wash ka ng hands mo siya.
Daddy, someone is like he was walking. Dapat mommy may fridge sa tent.
Wow.
Alam ko na mommy sa bag may snack. Mommy,
Ewan ko mga kala, baka malaglag yung papel.
oh, you need. Mommy, who farted?
So guys, ganito po yung buhay ko sa Canada. ito po yung bahay ko guys. Oh. Ito po yung bahay namin. Ayan. Good.
Who wants broccoli?
Sagay natin dito yung mamaya dito kain.
Stomach in ka.
Okay.
190 na nga lang kami, 92. Pag 180 na ako sa ano, in 2 months, mag-workout na rin ako. Katabad na ako mag-workout ngayon.
Leave here for night. Fortnite.
Hindi na tayo.
Mabig, go there. Yeah, yan kami Mabig. Cute. Hi, girl. So messy. Hello, Maverick. Ha? Meron, di ba? Yung pupo nila dyan. Ayan, sobrang lalim dun, guys. Hello, Corimon.
Mommy, my poo-poo.
Yuck! Did you step on it?
Ano yun? Horse trail yun.
Mommy, 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 mommy. I don't love you, mommy. I don't love you,
Give me the
mommy,
slippers.
mommy, mommy. My mommy looks like a trailer.
Your mommy looks like a trailer.
Hi, trailer. Ow. Hey, let's go sa pupo, mommy.
You wanna go poop? Si daddy mo na.
Yeah, sa pupo dyan, down there. May pupo dyan. I walk up to you.
Hi, guys. Magugustuhan din yan yun. Where? Oh, Maverick.
What's it?
Careful. Ang ganda ng rocks. Di ba kailangan mo ng rocks, Marlo? Dali natin to, Marlo, oh. Ay, wala akong shades.
Ang pupo ng aso niya, iniwan niya lang doon.
Saan?
Oo, yung green.
Oh my God.
Pupo bag yun.
Hey, Daddy. Wait. How big? Oh.
Sobrang cold.
Ah, tabi dyan.
Ang tiyan mo dong. Lakad ka dun. Mas mababaw dito eh. Huwag ka dyan, dito nga yung nandito yung mababaw oh. Malamig oy, bumalik ka na. Doon mo lang lagay oh. Good naman yung grasshoppers. Be careful guys. Oh, si Maverick, Marlo. Yung slippers mo mawala yan, Maverick. Yan, sobrang lamig. Dapat pala naka-boots ka, no?
Panggabi lang. Ganun ka lang, oh. Tapos, tagalin mo lang yung ano. Soak ka lang. Talis na.
Oh, dali.
Oh, you picture me.
Dapat dito ka nag-video ng luto-luto ka. Sa likod.
Nagugas ka ng mukha.
Nalala ko tayo, guys!
Tugas ka ng mukha. Bilis.
If they ask if I know them, just say no. Okay?
Ha? Bawal.
Yeah, that's called public fashion.
Oh, nahiya siya sa daddy niya kasi maliligo daw doon. Where's Maverick? Peekaboo. I see
Yeah, ito lang talaga.
you.
No,
ito pala.
So mag-throw yan, no?
Booking Morgan tastes good. You wanna buy it, guys?
I don't want to.
Kasi bawa mo, guys, eh.
Baliw ito talaga.
Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Just follow me and my subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, guys.
What's your channel? Hindi pa alam, guys. We're still thinking. Anong name ng channel ni Maverick?
My name is Bobrick. We just have the grasshopper. Yes, we can have that. Oh.
It's over there.
Cool.
We just have the
Meron pa, sige kuha ka dun. May one more.
Oo. Hindi, kaya pala nakatambay siya dito. Titinan tayo.
I'll wait for you.
Opa, good boy ah.
Hold this.
Galing ah.
Ah, my poo-poo.
Yeah, watch for pupo. Watch for pupo.
Do we go here, Mommy?
Yeah, remember.
Tandaan niyo yung ano, nakakain na, hindi ka nakikagala.
Hmm?
May pupo sa ground. Nadala nila yung horse nila dito. Horse trail ata ito.
This door?
Here, dito.
Yan, diretso lang siya. Oh, guys. May video lang ako.
Dapat follow mo yung sound, yung swimming.
Di ba? Yun yung ginawa natin, Maverick.
Yeah, we go here before Mommy, diba?
Yeah.
Maverick and Mommy, we went here, diba?
Yes.
You know that?
Yes.
You found a stick then?
Mm-hmm.
I need a stick then.
So, ito yung entrance natin. Remember
You
this?
find me a stick, Mommy?
Yan.
Our entrance.
Ito
Find me
yung
a
wood na yun.
strong stick.
Doon
There.
yung entrance na
Mom,
wala.
you find me a stick? In your mountains. Mommy? Yes, find me a stick. Here.
So, may nag-fishing. Hmm? Aray ko tanga. Aray ko. Mission ka, dito ka lang. Ow! Oh my God. So guys, ang lakas maka-walking dead, oh. Aray ko. Tabi-tabi po. Kasi,
Stop hitting me in your butt.
Ano mo, scarf mo.
oh.
Yeah, I just so glad you see what this looks like a car. It looks like a car. Yeah.
Anong shape yan?
Triangle?
See? Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. Okay, say it again.
Rectangle.
No, the
What shape is that?
rectangle. Okay, what shape is that again? Rectangle.
Rectangle. Correct.
Okay, what do you mean correct?
Right.
Oh yeah.
Correctly. Plug your nose.
Ito bad.
Plug your nose.
Ito bad.
Ito lang.
Goodbye yan. This.
Yeah.
As ito bad.
Same thing lang yun.
Good morning!
Yeah.
It's cold,
You
guys.
can do this lang.
Yeah, but you cover your mouth. Dapat nose. Nose dapat. Area.
Sariling shower, guys.
So makita. Maya, picnic area lang.
Picnic area lang siya.
Open here. Ito pala yung creek. May ano ka na?